Your yeast samples are going out today, my friend. First up is the Mother, made with motherwort tea base, and then I threw in wild blueberries and lemon peels in secondary. She's about a year old and sitting at around 13% ABV.
This is day 2 of tasting mead we swapped with our friend Stephanie over at Making Poor Decisions. I was curious about motherwort tea, so I googled it, but everything I found described it as bitter, so again, I really didn't know what to expect. Almost immediately, the whole room was filled with a warm blend of aromatic, earthy spices. And check out the warm, rich, ruby red color on this brew. That's pretty amazing, and the clarity is incredible. That one's for the missus, and this one is for me. I really can't say enough about the amazing color and clarity of this brew to do it any justice, so I'm just going to keep showing you guys different angles while trying to describe its flavor profile. First of all, there's absolutely nothing bitter about the Mother. The warm aromatic spices I mentioned before are front and center, and they're similar to a cola flavor, if that makes any sense. But anyway, they roll smoothly over the tongue just before you get a robust, bright, fruity burst of blueberries coating your mouth, and it is not unpleasant or overly sweet. The acidity of the lemon peel holds those earthy spices in check while you finish your swallow. Then on the exhale, an amazing blend of fruit and spice to remind you what you've just experienced. Absolutely amazing, my friend. Keep on making this mead.